Hi guys, for today's DIY, I'm going to be showing you some easy Halloween treats as well as some super simple Halloween decor. Everything is really simple to make and really affordable. I got most of the decor items from the dollar store. So, starting off with the mini pumpkins, you're going to need some clementines or oranges, green pipe cleaner, and some scissors. All you really have to do for this is simply peel your clementines or your oranges and then place them onto a plate. Once you're done with that, just cut your pipe cleaner into really small pieces and then add them into the middle of the clementines. It's super simple and it looks super cute. Next are the little ghost treats. You're gonna need chocolate granola, a banana, some raisins, and peanut butter. You're just going to go ahead and obviously peel your bananas and then you are going to cut them in half. After you do that, you're just going to go in and add a little bit of peanut butter to create eyes and a mouth on each of the bananas, just creating the little face of the ghost. And once you're all done adding all of the different faces to it, you might want to pop it into the refrigerator just to harden a little bit, and then add them to a plate. And this might be tricky, but get them all to just kind of stand up. After that, you're going to add your dirt, which would be your chocolate granola. And once you're done with that, you're all finished. For the last treat, which are the teeth, you need marshmallows, peanut butter, and some red apples. You're just going to go ahead and slice your apple into little slices. Add the peanut butter to one slice, and then on top of the peanut butter, you're going to add your marshmallows to create your teeth. And then after that, add the peanut butter to the other slice, and then add that on top, creating your little teeth. And they're so cute, and this is what they look like when they're finished. Starting off with the mummy jar, you're going to need a mason jar, some first aid tape, googly eyes, and a Sharpie, some fake flowers, and a hot glue gun. So start off with your first aid tape and just kind of wrap it around very uneven on the mason jar to create the mummy effect. Then take your hot glue gun and glue on 2 of the googly eyes. For the mouth, just draw a zigzag line with your Sharpie. And then lastly, add in your fake flowers and you're all done. I think this is so adorable. Next up is going to be your chalkboard pumpkin, and this one's super simple. You just need chalkboard paint and a foam pumpkin. I actually got this from the dollar store. Actually, everything in this video as far as decor goes, all the supplies were from the dollar store, so just paint an even coat of the chalkboard paint and then you can write whatever you want on it in chalk. For the studded pumpkin, you're just going to need another foam pumpkin and tacks. Make whatever design you want. I just decided to do stripes down the pumpkin, but you can make an initial, you can make it say things, really whatever you want. Just go ahead and push in the tacks. Because the pumpkin is foam, they go in super easily, so it's really simple to create this. Lastly, I just added this, but I just took a skull cup that I got at the dollar store, added some candy corn, and then put on this cute little witch hat that I also got from the dollar store, and it also makes a really cute decor piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My Twitter and Instagram will be linked in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on there also. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Once she allows I might be capable of doing.
And you go out with friends?
Well, a boy's best friend is his mother.